Hi everyone! Bago tayo mag-proceed sa next lesson natin, so i-review natin ang ating lesson 1 kung naintindihan ba talaga natin kung ano yung sequence and arithmetic sequence. Okay, so sasagutan natin ang mga questions para ma-check natin kung naintindihan ba talaga natin ang lesson 1 before tayo mag-proceed sa lesson 2. Okay, so meron tayong example dito. Write check if the sequence is an arithmetic sequence, then write the common difference. Okay. So, alam natin kung paano kunin yung o paano malaman kung ang sequence ba ay arithmetic sequence. Okay, malalaman natin na ang sequence ay arithmetic sequence kapag ang kanilang common difference ay magkapareho. So, ang common difference, kung hindi nyo pa siya napanood, yung lesson 1 natin, I suggest na panoorin nyo siya para mas maintindihan nyo siya. Ang common difference, again, makukuha natin siya sa pamamagitan ng pag-subtract. Ng second term, isubtract mo ang first term. Pagkatapos ang third term, isubtract mo si second term. Ang fourth term, isubtract mo si third term. So kung pareho yung difference nila, ibig sabihin ang ating sequence is an arithmetic sequence. Okay? Okay, so meron tayong sequence dito. Number 1, 4, 16, 36, 64, 100. Okay, so ang sequence ba na ito is masasabi nating arithmetic sequence? Okay, i-check natin. So, isubtract natin itong second term, isubtract natin ang first term sa second term. So, 16 minus 4 is equal to 12. And then, sa third term naman, isubtract natin si second term. So, 36 minus 16 is equal to 20. And then, si fourth naman, isubtract natin si third. So, magkapareho ba yung difference nila? Hindi. Hindi magkapareho ang kanilang difference kasi si 16 at si 4, 12 ang kanilang difference. And then si 36 at si 16, 20 ang kanilang difference. So, dyan pa lang, alam na natin na ang sequence na ito is not an arithmetic sequence. Okay? So, hindi tayo maglalagay ng check dito. At hindi rin natin malalagay ang kanyang common difference. Number 2 naman, negative 28, 172, 372, 572, and 772. Okay, so i-check natin kung arithmetic sequence ba siya. So, second term is subtract si first term. So, 172 minus negative 28. So, magiging 172 plus 28. So, 172 plus 28 equals 200. Okay, so 200 ang difference nila dito. Sige, isulat natin para hindi tayo malito. So, 200 dito. And then, si third term, isubtract mo si second term. So, 372 minus 172 is 200. And then, si fourth term, isubtract mo si third term. So, 572 minus 372, that is 200. So, nakikita natin na ang kanyang difference is magkapareho. And then, 772 minus 572, ang difference is 200. So, therefore, ang second sequence natin is an arithmetic sequence. So, i-check natin siya at ang kanyang common difference is 200. Number 3 naman tayo. So, negative 9, 101, negative 999, and then 10,001, and then 99,999. Okay, so kunin natin ang common difference para malaman natin kung arithmetic sequence ba siya. So, si second term, subtract mo si first term. So, 101 minus negative 9 is magiging 101 plus 9. Okay, so si 101 plus 9 is 110. And then, ito naman. So, si third, isubtract mo si second. Negative 999 minus 101 is equal to negative 1,100. Okay, so base dito sa ating difference, pareho ba ang kanilang difference? Hindi. So, ibig sabihin, pwede na nating hindi ipagpatuloy kasi ang first, second, third, hindi magkapareho ang kanilang difference. So, therefore, ang number 3 natin is not an arithmetic sequence. Number 4, 25, 20, 16, and 13. So, 25 and 20. So, 20 minus 25 is negative 5. And then, 16 minus 20 is negative 4. And then 13 minus 16 is negative 3. Matatawag ba natin itong arithmetic sequence? Hindi, kasi ang kanilang difference is hindi magkapareho. So therefore, ang number 4 natin is not an arithmetic sequence. Example number 5 tayo. So negative 1, 7, 15, 23, 31, and 39. So ngayon, isubtract natin ang second term, isubtract natin si first term. So 7 minus 1, so magiging 7 minus 1 is equal to 8. Kasi 7 minus negative 1, so magiging addition, so it will become 8. And then third minus the second, so 15 minus 7 is equal to positive 8. Then 23 minus 15 is 8. 31 minus 23 is 8. And then 39 minus 31 is 8. Okay, so nakita nyo na ang kanyang common difference is 8. So pareho silang lahat. So ibig sabihin, ang example number 5 natin is an arithmetic sequence. Pagkatapos ang kanyang common difference is 8. Example number 6 tayo. So negative 1. So 3 over, mali itong denominator natin. So dapat 2 ito. 3 over 2, and then 3 over 7, 1/4, and then 3 over 17. So this time, isolve natin ang kanilang difference. So second term minus the first term. So magiging 3 over 2 minus negative 1 yan siya. So 3 over 2, negative times negative, that will become positive 1. Okay, so dahil fraction siya, so ang gagawin natin, hahanapin natin ang common denominator. And of course, ang kanilang common denominator, dahil si 1, ang kanyang denominator is 1. So ang common denominator natin is 2. So 2 divided by 2 equals 1 times 3 equals 3. Plus 2 divided by 1, kasi si 1 merong denominator na 1, automatic yan siya. 2 divided by 1 is equal to 2 times 1 equals 2. So, 3 plus 2, that will become 5 over 2. Okay, so ito yung difference natin sa second term and sa first term. 5 over 2. Now, punta naman tayo sa third term, i-subtract natin ang second term. So, that is 3/7 minus 3 over 2. Okay? So, ang denominator ni 7 at ni 2 is 14. 14 divided by 7 is equal to 2. 2 times 3 equals 6. Subtract. 14 divided by 2 equals 7. 7 times 3 is equal to 21. Okay? Kopyahin natin ang denominator na 14. And then 6 minus 21 is equal to negative 15. So, ito yung common difference ni 3/7 third term and second term. So, third term minus the second term, ang difference nila is negative 15 over 14. Base dito sa ating kinuha na difference ni second term at ni first term at ni third term at ni second term, magkapareho ba ang difference nila? Hindi. So, ibig sabihin, hindi magkapareho ang kanilang difference. So, therefore, ang example number 6 natin is not an arithmetic sequence. So, number 7 tayo, 6, 9, 14, 21, and 30. Okay, so kunin natin ang kanilang difference. So, second term minus the first term. Ano yung 9 minus 6 is 3. And then third minus the second, 14 minus 9 is 5. And then fourth minus the third, so 21 minus 14 is 7. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, hindi na marunong magbilang. Fifth minus the fourth term, 30 minus 21 is equal to 9. Okay, so magkapareho ba ang difference nila? Hindi. So, therefore, ang sequence number 7 natin is not an arithmetic sequence. Okay, example number 8 naman. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. So, second term minus the first term, 6 minus 3 is 3. And then, third minus the second, 9 minus 6 is 3. Okay, 12 minus 9 is 3. 15 minus 12 is 3, and then 18 minus 15 is 3. Okay, so nakita natin na magkapareho ang kanilang difference. So therefore, ang sequence natin na number 8 is an arithmetic sequence at ang kanilang common difference is 3. Number 9 naman tayo. So 39, 30, 21, 12, and 3. So 30 minus 9 is, 30 minus 39 is negative 9. And then 21 minus 30 is negative 9. 12 minus 21 is negative 9. 3 minus 12 is negative 9. Okay, so ano ang sequence na ito? Arithmetic sequence. So therefore, ang sequence number 9 is an arithmetic sequence at ang kanyang common difference is negative 9. Example number 10 naman tayo. So 17, 14, 11, 8, and 5. Okay, so si second term minus the first term. So 14 minus 17 is negative 3. And then 11 minus 14 is negative 3. 8 minus 11 is negative 3. And then 5 minus 8 is negative 3. So therefore, ang example number 10 is an arithmetic sequence and ang kanilang common difference is negative 3. Okay, so that's all for today's video guys. Sana alam na natin kung paano malaman kung ang sequence ba ay arithmetic sequence at alam na natin kung paano hanapin ang kanilang common difference.